Hey there guys, and welcome back to another FPV Guide video. I'm Bo Lorentzen, and as you know, this week I'm cruising around CES looking for toys I just can't live without. And particularly this one here, I'm right now hanging out at the PowerVision booth together with Craig Glover, who's going to tell me a little bit about it. But before we get to that, I'm going to walk you through this new product. It's a drone for free water drone, so it's not tethered like the PowerRay. And basically we have a couple of antennas here. They come out and they're using a normal controller with radio antennas just like you do on a regular drone. You pop your phone in on top here, you get a live video feed, and really importantly, this thing has a GPS up on top.
Yep.
So if you lose control, if you turn your radio up, it's going to come back where you were. Now if you're out sailing, stop your boat, wait for it to come back, because that's where it's going to come back to. It doesn't know where you went.
Right.
But what is really cool here is, up in front, you have a camera that's articulated. So this camera will pop up or it will pop down, and it can also articulate to look backwards. So you can actually see what's going on at the back of the boat. I want to say aircraft back here. It isn't an aircraft.
No, it's definitely not.
The other thing, because we are using a radio connection, and we are using the 2400 900 megahertz combo,
right,
that normally gives you about 7 kilometers of range. However, we do have waves here, right, so you cannot shoot through a wave.
Right.
That's why the antennas are pretty tall, but you should expect about 500 meters, 1500 feet of range.
Well, actually,
in
the
water.
test we had 1,000 meters.
So 1,000 meters. Now here's the still. If you start getting waves, it's out there.
Yeah.
Now, but on the upside, there's GPS. If you lose control, it is going to come back. That's why it's made that way.
Yeah, exactly.
So, Craig, what are we looking at money-wise?
Money-wise, this is the one that we all thought, oh my gosh, this thing's going to be out there. It's going to be up in the thousands. Blah, blah, blah.
Now I saw the bikini girls. They were all telling me 750.
749. 99.
Oh, so you do know numbers.
Yes, I do. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I take it from the bikini girls and Craig's.
Yes. So $749 at retail, USD.
When do we see them shipping?
April 2018. So just a couple months out, we should have production models. You'll probably get yours around the middle of March.
Guys, we need to go down to this beach. We need to be chasing some surfers with this.
Yes.
The cool thing about this, of course, is you can fly it FPV.
Yes.
So the app has a stereo thing. You can put it up on your headset.
Yep.
You can put like a beer cooler within reach.
Yep.
And goggles on.
Yep.
And start flying the beach chasing surfers.
Exactly.
Dude, it's gonna be so
fun. It's
fun.
gonna be so cool. Like, we took it to Hawaii and we gave it a little test in like 2-foot surf. And it was absolutely amazing. Like, it catches a wave. And what's really cool about it, Bo, is like, similar to what a surfboard has, it has 2 skags off the back, which is like a twin fin, which is a surfboard, it's a term for 2 fins on a surfboard. A 3 fin would be a tri-fin. So that's something that we're gonna probably put in next, would be that 3rd fin to keep that stability.
Keep it locked in.
Yes, exactly. So we actually went out, it caught a wave, and made it all the way in. I turned it around, went back out over the whitewater, caught another one, went all the way in.
So you surfed them?
Yeah, in Hawaii. It was really cool.
So you can now surf with a beer within reach?
Yes, with a beer, actually probably beer in hand as it starts to take off on the wave, because the wave has so much.
This is like everything I want in my life. Now, I gotta tell you one thing different from the PowerRay. This does not submerge.
No.
It's waterproof, of course.
Yes.
But it's like a speedboat. It's gonna be running on the top.
Right.
So where this PowerRay is like a scuba diver.
Right.
This is a snorkeler.
Right.
You can look under the water, or you can stick the camera up high and look over the waves.
Right.
But you still have a lot of utility, because you also have the fish finder and the sonar on the bottom.
And then with that though, because now this has GPS, that means that now you have waypoints.
And you can do a search grid.
You can do a search grid. So there's a lot more commercial aspects, I think, with this product at this time.
I think one of the things that I'm really interested in is that search grid, the 3D mapping.
Right.
Because they demonstrated doing 3D mapping with the sonar and get a gradient or depth map of a water body, like a lake.
So for instance, yesterday a yacht owner came in, a guy who captains yachts, and he has about 6 or 7 clients, right? So he comes in and he starts asking me about that stuff, and immediately he's like, I need this on my yacht so that when I go into these small ports and stuff, I can send this thing out, tell me my depths, and put me in the right direction so I don't ruin my boat. He was like, every yacht owner in the world should have
because a normal marine map does not have very good resolution. It says 33 feet Over here is 100 feet, and here's 0 feet.
Right.
But what is in between?
Right.
And this one, obviously, because you can do every about half a meter,
Yep.
pinpoints, you can get an incredibly accurate, you can basically find a boat on the bottom of a lake.
Yep.
With the map here.
Yeah.
Now the other thing that I like, and that's really Valley, the CEO here.
Yeah.
He is obsessed with utility.
Right.
And on the Power Eye that I've been flying, it has a cargo gimbal,
Yeah.
a cargo system
Yep.
that allows you to carry 2 kilograms out to somebody. And I'm always saying, in a search and rescue scenario, a heating blanket,
Yeah.
a couple of bottles of waters, and some power bars
Yeah.
can do miracles.
Yeah.
for
Oh, for
survival.
someone that's been out for a couple days, for sure.
Yeah, same thing right here, and it's not working really. We're looking at prototypes as always.
Yeah.
Down here is a cargo release.
Yep.
So it allows you to, of course, hold about 2 kilograms.
Yep, about 2 kilograms.
That translates to about 2 six-packs.
Yeah.
The
pretty
emergency
much.
supplies.
2 6-packs.
But you can also haul a life preserver.
Yep.
You can haul food,
Yep.
blankets.
Yep.
So if you're in a water body situation and you need to get something, or a cell phone in a waterproof case,
Yep.
out to somebody,
someone. There
this
you go.
thing can deliver it about 1 kilometer out.
Yep.
That's really a lot of utility.
Yeah, and at a speed of about 11 miles an hour with all that stuff behind it, you know. Top
hauling
speed,
ass.
you know, yeah, you're looking at about 15 miles an hour with no tow. And we put it out, and we put 2 sodas and 2 GoPros on a little, the little sled here.
Right?
Taped it all in here, and it was
You
just
can't
working.
show people stuff without putting it up. to the
Okay,
camera.
sorry. This is the sled. So basically, this is what attaches in the back, and it actually has a rotating arm. And when that rotating arm happens, this drops open, and then it floats back up to the top, and it closes.
Yeah, but that rotating arms can be used for a lot of other
Oh,
things.
so many things.
Because it's a remote control option that you can turn something 180 degrees.
Exactly.
And leave it up to you guys to come up with what can we do with a 180 degree rotation behind this device.
Right.
Like chumming the waters,
Yes, chumming the waters,
releasing a fish hook.
releasing a fish hook, trolling. So like basically you can troll like you on the back of this thing and there you can tie your fishing line around that and just troll the area after you chum it. It's a little bit cheating, but
I was gonna say, I think that's a little. I'm gonna go back to the surfing analogy.
Okay.
I think that's where I'm at.
yeah, me too.
And fountains in the city. So there you have it, guys. That is the new PowerDolphin with an optional sonar device.
Yep.
It's a speedboat, remote controlled, FPV, lots of fun. Utility for hauling things for about $750.
$750.
That's what
That's what they're saying.
what was they called? PowerVision girls?
Oh, the Power Girls.
Power girls.
Yeah.
That's what the Power girls told me, so I believe them.
I hope
So-
that Vogue took a couple videos of the girls so you guys know what he's talking about. Yeah.
So there you have it, guys. Make sure we've got more videos from CES 2018. Click down here in the corner. Make sure you subscribe, and we got more videos coming up. And Craig, thank you so much for your
Always
time.
a pleasure, bro. Thanks for coming out, and thanks for being a part of this.